Hi, I'm Brooke Glazer, a full-time freelance illustrator. I've built a business that comfortably supports me and allows me to work whenever and wherever I choose. But it didn't start that way. When I learned to understand myself and what I did specifically that was worth money to other people, that's when things really started to flow. This is a fun, practical, and comprehensive guide to making money as an artist. You do not have to be an expert at everything, but it makes a big difference to understand how the different parts of your business affect each other. First, we'll start by getting clear on what you want your business to look like, and then we'll pair that against the different ways that artists make money. Then we'll dive into understanding why people buy from you and using the strengths that you already have to stand out from the crowd. We'll talk about systems that can help you make your business run more smoothly. In the second section, we'll dive into how do you find clients and tips for sharing your work with the right people. In the third section, we'll talk about how to price your work, contract details, and 12 tips for negotiating. I have been bursting at the seams to create this class. All I ever want to do is talk business and strategy with other artists about how to grow their creative careers. If you are starting your first creative business, this is the class for you. And if you've been in business for a few years, but you feel unclear about where you're headed, my hope is that this will help you get clear on understanding the fundamentals of your business.